this. Question number 6. Let us repeat this. Deepika loves to read biographies. At the moment, she is reading a biography of M.G. Ramachandran. Question number 7. I can see the cows grazing. 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 Grazing on the grass of the pastures. Question number 8. Puneet said, I am going. Am going. Going. Am going. So let me repeat this from question number 1 onwards because we left the connection. Please tally. Jack has a sore throat. He says he is feeling feverish too. The rain comes in. COMES. Question number 3. Anushka troubles. S will be added. She begins to sing. Question number 4. The Ganga flows. FLOWS. It floods. FLOODS. But makes. MAKES. Question number 5. Tanya likes to sketch and draw. Right now, she is painting. Question number 6. Deepika loves to read biography. At the moment, she is reading. Is reading. Question number 7. I can see the cows grazing. GRAZING. And question number 8. I am going. That's it. Exercise B, question number 1. Exercise B, question number 1, page number 75. Fill in the blanks with the simple present or present continuous forms. So more or less, we have to do the same thing that we were doing in exercise A. Let us do this in continuation. Mala wants, WANTS, wants to improve her English. She is making, is making, MAKING. She is making an effort to meet, MEET, meet more people and practice, PRACTISE, practice her speaking skills. Her teacher gives, GIVES, gives an extra class. The classes BEGIN, 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 begin after lunch and continue, CONTINUE, continue till tea time. Mala hopes, HOPES, hopes that her marks will improve. She is aiming, is AIMING, is aiming for a score of 60%. Now this completes the first paragraph. Let us now do the second paragraph. Today, now B will change into is because this is in the present tense. Today is the third day of my trek around the Valley of Flowers. I am tired. I ke saath we don't use is, we use am. I am tired. My legs are shaking. ARER SHAKING, are shaking. My feet are hurting. Are hurting. HURTING. And my toes are bleeding. AREBLEEDING. But I want, WANT, want to continue. I am trying. AMM TRYING. TRYING. Trying to adapt the high altitude. I am learning. AMM LEARNING. Am learning a little bit about the flowers found here. Unfortunately, I don't learn. Write down don't learn. Don't learn about flora quickly. I believe I am improving. Am improving. Now please write this small above the blank because this is a bigger one. It will not fit there. I am currently, currently, currently traveling, travelling, traveling with Akash, a student from Xavier's Boy School in Mumbai. He is sweet, is sweet but impatient. He always walks, walks behind me and complaints, complaints, complaints. Let us quickly discuss the past continuous tense. Turn to page number 76. Turn to page number 76. Now, the only difference between present continuous and past continuous is that we change the helping verb and main verb. The positioning does not changes. The rest of the sentence does not changes. But is, am, are can change into was and were. And first form of verb remains first form and ing is added. For example, in present tense, let us check out the first example. I was watching TV when you called. This is past. When we write this in present tense, I am watching TV. But in the past tense, it became I was watching TV. So was for singular and were for I and you is used. How do we do it? You again need to refer to the auxiliary verb table on page number 34. Let us underline this. To describe an unfinished action. First line, to describe an unfinished action. And the second line, to describe two actions that were happening at the same time. To describe two actions that were happening at the same time. And to describe the introductory scene for a story. To describe the introductory scene for a story. The sun was shining brightly. Now, structure for affirmative, negative and interrogative remains the same. As I told you, only instead of is, am, are, was, were is added. So now where was is written, write down singulars. Make an arrow and write down singulars. And with were, W-E-R-E, with were, make an arrow and write down I, you and plurals. Were, W-E-R-E, were is used with I were, you were or we were. So it is used with I, you and plurals. Rest of it remains just the same. Exercise C, very quickly. My brother was waiting. Was waiting, W-A-I-T-I-N-G. For me at the airport when my plane landed, L-A-N-D-E-D, landed. Question number 2. Faisal hurt, H-U-R-T, hurt his finger while he was hammering. Was, H-A-M-M-E-R-I-N-G, was hammering. Question number 3. The power went, W-E-N-T, went off while I was watching. Was watching the film. Question number 4. It began, B-E-G-A-N, began to rain when we were playing, W-E-R-E, were playing the finals. Question number 5. I came across, C-A-M-E, past tense. I came across and many interesting pictures when I was surfing. Was surfing, S-U-R-F-I-N-G. Question number 6. The boys were, W-E-R-E, were stealing, S-T-E-A-L-I-N-G, stealing the mangoes when the watchman saw, S-A-W, S-A-W, saw them. Question number 7. It began, B-E-G-A-N, began to rain when we were waiting, W-E-R-E, were waiting, W-A-I-T-I-N-G. Question number 8. The students were playing, W-E-R-E, were playing when the teacher entered, E-N-T-E-R-E-D, R-E-D. Shall we quickly do the future continuous also? You just have to underline those. Then I will send you a photo of exercise D. Please do it. And E we will do. E also I can send you. Okay, let us discuss the future tense. The future continuous tense is used. Now underline the term. Where is it used? To talk about situation and event that will be in progress at a time in future. That we will do in future. Means we will be studying civics in the fourth period. Okay. So this is how the sentence becomes. To talk about the situation that will progress in the coming future. And the next one, to talk about a single action which will happen because it is a part of a bigger future plan or schedule. Ryan and his friends will be leaving for Melbourne tomorrow. They will be doing it. So when we write will be doing, will be going, this is how it becomes the future continuous tense. Structure is subject, then will be or shall be, then verb plus ing, and then the rest of the sentence. For negative, we write not before will and be. Is will plus not plus be. Will not be going, will not be doing, will not be studying. So this is how. And for the interrogative ones, we write will or shall, that is the beginning of the sentence, the question word, then the subject, then be, then verb plus ing, and then the rest of the sentence. So this is how interrogative sentences go. I will send you exercise D and E after the classes are over today. All right. See you in the fourth period for civics. See you in the fourth period for civics. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, ma'am.
Leave the
Okay,
class.
ma'am. Thank you.
The
Thanks.
class. All right.
Thank
Leave
you,
the
ma'am.
class. Isha, stop.
Yeah.